Hello, everyone. This week we read the story Diary of a Spider. These are the vocabulary words in our story. The first word is insects. Ants, flies, and bees are all insects. They all have 6 legs. Dangerous. Be careful, a bee sting can be dangerous. It makes some people sick. Scare. Cockroaches will run away if you scare them. They frighten easily. Sticky. A spider web is sticky. Bugs get caught and they can't fly away. Rotten. A housefly eats rotten or spoiled food. Screaming. If you see a wasp, walk away quietly. Don't run away screaming. Breeze. A ladybug came in when a breeze blew open the window curtains. Judge. Look carefully before you judge or decide what this picture shows. When we read the story Diary of a Spider, our target skill that we are looking at is cause and effect. Some people see a spider and get scared. The two events are linked. Seeing the spider is the cause, becoming scared is the effect. This story is a humorous fiction. A humorous fiction is made to make the reader laugh. The characters will say funny things, and the events will not happen in real life. It is a humorous fiction. Diary of a Spider by Doreen Cronin. The essential question: how do good friends act? March 1st. Today was Grandparents' Day at school, so I brought Grandpa with me. He taught us 3 things. 1. Spiders are not insects. Insects have 6 legs. 2. Without spiders, insects could take over the world. 3. Butterflies taste better with a little barbecue sauce. March 16th. Grandpa says that in his day, flies and spiders did not get along. Things are different now. This is awesome! March 29th. Today in gym class, we learned how to catch the wind so we could travel to far away places. Next. When I got home, I made up flashcards so I could practice. 1. Climb high. 2. Release silk. 3. Catch wind. Fly made up her own flashcard. 1. Fly. I'm starting to see why Grandpa doesn't like her. April 1st. I went to the park with my sister today. We tried the seesaw. It didn't work. Analyze the text. Cause and effect. Why does the seesaw not work? Use the illustration to help you. We tried the tire swing. It didn't work. We spun a huge sticky web on the water fountain. That worked. Eek! April 12th. Today was safety day at school. We learned that vacuums eat spider webs and are very, very dangerous. If we hear a vacuum, we should stop, drop, and run. Stop what we're doing. Drop from the web. Run like crazy. April 13th. We had a vacuum drill today. I stopped what I was doing, forgot where I was going, and ran screaming from the room. Help! We're having another drill tomorrow. April 17th. I'm sleeping over at Worm's house tonight. I hope they don't have leaves and rotten tomatoes for dinner again. May 7th. Mom said I was getting too big for my own skin, so I molted. That is so gross. May 8th. Today was show and tell, so I brought in my old skin. My teacher called on it to lead the Pledge of Allegiance. You there, why don't you get us started? June 5th. Daddy Longlegs made fun of Fly because she eats with her feet. Now she won't come out of her treehouse. I'm going to find him and give him a piece of my mind. June 6th. I found Daddy Longlegs. He's a lot bigger than I thought he was. I gave him a piece of my lunch instead. June 7th. Fly's treehouse blew away in the wind today. So did Grandpa. June 18th. I got a postcard from Grandpa today. Dear Spider, ooh la la, I landed in Paris. French bugs are delicious. Au revoir, Grandpa. Leg of French gnat. Give it a try. June 30th. Grandpa came home today. I couldn't wait to hear about how he rode the winds all the way over the ocean. Turns out he caught a breeze to the airport and napped in first class. Analyze the text. Personification. What does Grandpa do that makes him seem like a person? Use the words and answer the pictures to help you answer. July 2nd. Fly came over to play today. She got stuck in our web and her mom had to come get her. Grandpa laughed a little too hard. From now on, we have to play at Fly's house. Hi, Mom. July 9th. Today was my birthday. Grandpa decided I was old enough to know the secret to a long, happy life. Never fall asleep in a shoe. July 16th. Things I scare. Number 1, Fly's mom. It wasn't his fault, Mom. Number 2, tiny bugs. Number 3, people using water fountains at the park. July 17th. Things that scare me. Number 1, daddy long legs. Number 2, vacuums. And number 3, people with big feet. No! August 1st. I wish that people wouldn't judge all spiders based on the few spiders that bite. I know if we took the time to get to know each other, we would get along just fine, just like me and Fly. Again, when we read the story, we're looking at cause and effect. For example, the spider is getting too big. That is the cause. The spider shedding his skin is the effect. The personification in the story is if an animal acts or portrays or wears clothing like a person would. But in the reality of it, the animal or creature would not wear clothing or talk like a real person in the real world. Hope you enjoyed the story. Thank you.